Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So my name is Dr. Nidhi Gupta and this is the fifth video of our lecture series. So in this lecture series, what I am doing, I am solving the chemistry questions which came in the year 2026 in IIT JEE Advanced examination. Okay, so this is the fifth question which comes under the section 2. So up to the section 4, what is happening? Only one option was correct. Okay. And but here in question 5, more than one options are correct. So these questions are more tricky. You have to look at all the possibilities. Okay. So that is the thing. Here you can more than one option can be correct. Okay. So let me just read out the question with you guys and then we will start solving it. Okay. So the question says the 2s, the 2s, uh, the 2s and 2p orbital energies of hydrogen atom are E2s subscript H and E2pH respectively, and the 2s and 2p orbital energies of lithium are E2s and E2s, E2s and E2p respectively. Okay, so these is the energies of 2s and 2p orbital of for hydrogen atom. And these are the energies for the lithium atoms. Okay, the correct options you can see here word options is written, not option. About the orbital energies is R. Okay, so this is the question. So this is the question of, by reading it, you will have an idea that this comes under the topic atomic structure. Okay, so in atomic structure we study that how to find out the energy, what is the energy sequence of different orbitals in an atom. Okay, so let me just quickly share with you guys my whiteboard and we will start solving this question. Okay, so firstly we will see what is the energy sequence about. Okay, so okay, now we can go on. So in hydrogen atom, so firstly we will draw the atomic configuration. Okay, the atomic configuration is, because only one electron is present, so it will be only one s1. Okay, so all the other cells atomic orbital will be shells will be empty. Okay, like after that 2s will come, 2p will come. Okay, so this 2s and 2p will have equal energies. Why they will have equal energy? Because now what is happening, according to the n plus l rule, the 2s should have the lower energy in compared to the 2p if we have to fill the electrons. Okay, but now you can see only one electron is present in hydrogen atom and which will go into the 1s orbital, only one s cell. So now no electron is present. So that is why the energy will solely depend upon the principal quantum number, which is represented by this number. Okay, so for the 1s, the principal quantum number n is 1, and for these two, the value is 2. Okay, so it means if electron is not present, then the energies of the subshells are equal if their principal quantum number are equal. Okay, so energy will be they will have the same energy. If electron is present, then what will happen? The electron, so electron, firstly electron will go in that subshell which will have the lower n plus l value. Okay, okay, lower n plus l value. And if it goes into that subshell, then what will happen? The energy of that subshell will go down because of the shielding effect. Because when electron will go, suppose the electron will go in the 2s orbital, then what will happen? The nuclear force of attraction in the 2s orbital will be high. Okay, so it will be more towards the, it will go more towards the nucleus. So its energy will decrease in compared to the 2p. Okay, so that is the case. So the option, so it will be like E2s of H will equal to E2p of H. For so it means for hydrogen atom, the energy of 2s subshell is equals to the 2p subshell. Okay. So now now we will look at the lithium case. Okay, so in lithium, firstly we will again draw the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1. Okay, because in lithium, 3 electrons are there, so that's why 2s1. So now you can see, now again 2s1 means in the second cell, in 2s subshell, 1 electron is going. Okay, now the energy of 2s will be lower than in compared to the energy of 2p orbit, 2p sorry subshell, because 1 electron is going in them. Okay, so this electron, due to this electron, there will be more interaction between this 2s subshell and the nucleus, which is in the center. Okay, so that is why its energy will decrease. So for lithium, the case will be E2s of Li will have less energy in compared to the E2p of Li. So it means E2p of Li will have the higher energy in compared to the E2s of Li. Why? Why? Because here 1 electron is going into the 2s subshell, so which will decrease the energy of 2s subshell. Okay. So whenever electron is going into a subshell and we are comparing its energy with another subshell which is empty, then obviously then for the subshell which is containing electron, the energy for that subshell will be lower than in compared to the energy of that subshell which doesn't have electron. Okay, so this is the case for the lithium atom. Okay, so for lithium atom, if we compare the energy of 2s and 2p subshell, then the energy of 2s subshell will be less than in compared to the energy of 2p subshell. Okay, now again we can also compare the energy of this hydrogen and we can compare the energy of hydrogen and lithium also. Okay, so in hydrogen, what is happening? The electron of only one electron is present. Okay, and in lithium, 3 electrons are present. So whenever charge is high, then that means the energy will be low. Energy of that subshell will be low in compared to the in element in which charge is low. Okay, so energy of, if we compare the energy of 1s of hydrogen, so it will be greater than energy of 1s of lithium. Okay, because in lithium plus 3 charge is present and hydrogen plus 1 charge is present at the nucleus. Okay, so these are the you can say the conclusion or the energy relationship between the energies of the subshell we can derive from the given data. So now let us see which options are correct. Okay, so out of these given options, the option you can see the option B is correct. Okay, because the energy of 2s or 2s subshell of for hydrogen atom will be equal to the energy of 2p subshell of hydrogen atom. Okay, so this is correct. And the this one, the D one, sorry, the first one, A, it is also correct because the energy of 2s will be less than energy of 2p for lithium atom, because in 2s, 1 electron is present and 2p is empty. So if electron is going, then it will going to lower the energy of the subshell. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, so now comes the fourth one, which will correct. So for the D will be correct because the energy of the 2s orbital for hydrogen will be higher than the energy of 2s orbital for the or 2s subshell or 2s orbital for the lithium because of the higher charge of the lithium. Okay, so we have written like this now. Okay. So for the other subshells also it will, if this condition is true. So 2s SH will have the greater energy in compared to the 2s Li. Okay, so this is the case. Okay, so which options are correct? A, B, and D. Let us just see the C also. So here it is written the E2PH is less than E2SLi. So this is completely wrong because the hydrogen atom, the energy of hydrogen atom subshell will always be higher than in compared to lithium, because in lithium high nuclear charge is present, and high nuclear charge means low energy of the same, if we compare the same subshells, okay, or shells. Okay, so the C option is incorrect, except that all the other options are correct only. A, B, and D. So these three are the correct options. Okay, so actually this question is pretty easy. It just required your some the knowledge about some energy, which energy is lower and which is higher, and if electron is present and not, then how the energy will change, that you need to know about it, about to solve this question. Okay, so that's it. Other than that, there is no such thing in that question which is very complex. Okay, this is complex. This question is not at all complex. It is one of them easy questions which comes into this examination. Okay, so it means this is a scoring question. Okay, so this was all about this video. So we will meet in next video. Up to then, study hard and keep solving and keep going. Thank you. Hello student, thank you for watching our video. If you find this video helpful, then please like this video and share it with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of this kind of video in our channel, then please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever the new video is going to release in our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.